Sir, how do you utilize topper copies for mains exam?
How do you?
How do you utilize topper copies?
The utilization of topper copies. See, particularly our strategy has not been to utilize too much of topper copies. This is something that is there. You may have heard topper say, but we do not recommend to utilize topper. We say, आप अपने questions को देखो और forget topper copies. You simply don't look at the previous year topper. आपके MGP का जो topper है ना, उसमें top 10 में जो है ना, उसी में से 7, 8, 9 रैंक निकल जाती है पहले तो. ऐसा हमको मिल जाता है हर बार. आपको मैंने कुछ रिसोर्सेज हमने बनाए हैं, उसको मैं चाहूँगा कि आप कर ले. ठीक है, कुछ रिसोर्सेज, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. सो बेसिकली वी हैव अ रिसोर्सेज पेज में, इसको देख लेना, मैंने QR कोड भी कहीं डाला था. वी हैव ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग शीट्स. ठीक है, इसमें आपको फ्री रिसोर्सेज मिल गए. इट इज forumis.com/blog/mains2026. वी हैव गिवन 2 things. One is QCA booklets or repeat booklets of test series previous years. You want to practice it, you can practice it. कैसे करना? Not necessarily in 3 hours because you will be tired. Now just I'll take, I have been given some time by the team. तब तक सबके कैमरे बैटरी ऑफ होने लगेंगे. ठीक है, तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ बहुत पिन पॉइंटेड आपको 3-4 चीज़ें कुछ चीज़ें बता दूँ. पहली चीज़ ये, लेट अस जस्ट टेक अ मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री का ये रिकॉल शीट है ना. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ रिकॉल शीट. वी हैव गिवन 46 years ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इज, डोंट बी अ मैनियक एंड से कि मुझे 46 साल के क्वेश्चन करने, तो 27 नहीं 28 में तैयारी होने वाली है. एंड आई विल राइट एवरी आंसर. Don't be that ambitious. उससे कम. So that is what I'm talking about smart work. Smart work we built on hard work. I repeat. So क्या करना है, जैसे ये हमने क्वेश्चन लिया, ऐसे तो 2018 का ही क्वेश्चन है ये, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी टेक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो वॉट वी हैव डन इज दीज आर अवेलेबल. ये FRC की ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग शीट्स है, इसको हमने फ्री में अपलोड कर दिया है. आपको क्या करना है, शीट लेनी है और सीधे UPSC लेवल आंसर नहीं लिखना है. आई डोंट वांट एनी ऑफ यू टू डैम राइट स्टार्ट राइटिंग UPSC आंसर्स. द मिनट यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग लाइक दैट, योर जजमेंट विल बी क्लाउडेड. देन यू विल फोकस ऑन इंट्रोडक्शन, कंक्लूजन और मेन बॉडी को भूल जाओगे. आई वॉन्ट यू टू, इसका नाम क्या है, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग शीट्स. I want you to brainstorm. The question is, this is question of 2018. Throw light on the significance of thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi in the present times. What is expected? 1 page has been given. UPSC will give you 2 pages. You have given 1 page. 1/3 margin is there. You make sure that you write all the points. Then maybe you do some research and add additional points or through a group discussion. Let us just think of what are the throw lights. What are the significance of Mahatma Gandhi's thoughts in present times? 2-3 बताओ ideas. ठीक है, पंचायती राज, his ideas on पंचायती राज और local self government, ठीक है, can help bring reforms to strengthen the local self government. ठीक है, चलो, 3rd tier of governments, very good, okay. ये सब generic points हैं, but और बताओ. How is trusteeship relevant today to check against corporate greed? चलो ठीक है. So he said that when Gandhi said the earth has enough for everyone's need but not everyone's greed, it's a check against consumerism and the exploitation of the resources of the planet, environmental degradation. It is the path of sustainability. Yes. Huh? State. Okay. So his ideas on, for example, he's said to be anarchist, or his ideas on, you know, so his ideas, his model of anarchy can be implemented as minimum government, maximum governance. Very good. ठीक है, सोशल ऑडिट में, वेरी गुड. ऐसे करके हम लोग सोचेंगे और कुछ अच्छी बातें सोच सकते हैं. हाँ, vernacular languages, 3 language formula, okay, you can quote that. Apart from that, his ideas of truth, non-violence, है ना. So for example, non-violence, his ideas on non-violence can be implemented by global leaders for global peace and help resolve Iran crisis and Ukraine war, for example. Or for example, when he said that, yes, young lady. Huh? It looks, मुझे लिरिक्स नहीं समझ में आ रहे हैं बस. Can somebody give voice to the, not the voiceless but low voice people? बीच में कोई रिले करो थोड़ा. In Indian, the missing middle problem. Okay, very good, fair enough point. अब सिलेबस रिपीट कर दो, आप मुझे पता है कि सबने बताया कि सिलेबस रिपीट कर दो, ठीक है, फेयर इनफ. इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस बाई, बिकॉज हिज बिगेस्ट रोल वाज, व्हाट वाज द बिगेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ महात्मा गांधी? एक लाइन में, yes, made the Indian national movement, which was earlier among forward communities and enlightened people, to a mass movement. So his emotional intelligence है ना, choice of salt, यानी which he is able to connect, right? YouTube के सारे टीचर्स भी इससे सीख रहे हैं. ये अभी क्या इमोशन है उसको तुरंत टैप कर लो और 18 से 20 हज़ार बच्चे एडमिशन है ना कर लो, राइट? यूनिवर्सिटीज को बोल रखा है, तो उसके बाद जब नहीं होगा तो आएंगे फोरम में, तो आएगा तो उसके बाद बोलेंगे कि ये तो फाउंडेशन क्या ही था, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सल फाउंडेशन का गोल है कि ऐसा कर लो कि सब लोग फाउंडेशन कर ले. बट एनीवे, देन यू हैव बेटर आइडियाज. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन गांधीज डिनायल ऑफ, यू रिमेंबर रॉयल नेवल रेटिंग्स, when they protested and said we are with the Congress, what did Gandhi say? If you are doing it because Royal Naval Ratings, when they protested, he says if you are doing it because your work condition is poor compared to European soldiers, your work and salary condition is poor, then you are wrong. And if you are doing it for India's freedom, you are doubly wrong. So that way, it is because this of Gandhi's contribution that India remains one of the rare countries in South Asia or in the third world where no military intervention has been accepted in the political life of the country, which has ensured that India has not failed as a nation, which has happened to our left, center and है ना, left, right and center everywhere. और पाकिस्तान में देख लो, बॉडी जिन्ना से आ जाओ. So the Hindus went to this and the Muslims went to Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So what happens is now, अभी तक उनके आर्मी वाले आ जाते हैं, बिना बुलाए आ जाते हैं, कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर को लगता है देश चलाने में दिक्कत हो रही है, हम आ जाते हैं, right? So he closed the doors for military intervention in the political life of the country and therefore ensure that there will be no military coup in our country. है ना, very good ideas. Or for example, Gandhi legitimized peaceful protest and घेराव as a part of legitimate घेराव का, कि घेर लो large numbers से और guns नहीं है, then it is legitimate. So it became a part of our political DNA. How is it expressed? ये legitimacy जो दिया गांधी ने was used by JP in total revolution or Sampurn Kranti against the Indira Gandhi government, and much later India against corruption, Ram Leela Maidan protest against the Manmohan Singh government, thereby setting an example for future governments that even if they have the legislative mandate, they must respect the aspirations of the people. तो गवर्नमेंट भी कॉकरोच पार्टी का चैनल बंद कर रही है कि कभी भी कुछ भी. You are legitimately elected in the parliament. You have 5 years mandate. पर अगर जनता अगर खिलाफ हो गई तो पब्लिक सपोर्ट उसको मिल जाएगा. And so much so that Gandhi's policy of truth and non-violence, so much so that it has decided the post-Indian politics, which is why Naxalism, which has a just cause, I repeat, Naxalism, which has a just cause, but poor means, violent means, never got mainstream acceptance in the society. Never got mainstream acceptance in the society, है ना. नक्सलवाद को कभी mainstream सुना? So therefore, what is the biggest achievement of Gandhi? That the Indian Union has survived. That India has remained a single nation even after 7 decades of independence. And that is the biggest contribution of Gandhi. जो अगले उसके बाद का क्वेश्चन है, इसमें नहीं, इसके नीचे का है कि what would India still have gotten independence? है ना, इसी में आपको क्वेश्चन मिल जाएगा. How difficult would have been the achievement of Indian independence without Mahatma Gandhi? You will write कि शायद आज़ादी मिल गई होती because of decolonization, Second World War, the relegation of UK to, है ना, and the arrival of new world powers such as US and USSR which were against colonization, तो आज़ादी शायद मिल जाती. But the union that we have today would never have existed if Gandhi had not been there. So for this, what you need, थोड़ा सा brainstorming करो. Don't write a UPSC answer. So this is brainstorming sheets are provided. आपको ये लिंक दे दिया गया है, ठीक है. उसको आप लोग, मेरे ख्याल से पुट अ हाइप QR कोड भी डाला था, बट हाँ, तो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू गेट ऑल द रिसोर्सेज. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग शीट्स पर काम करो एंड डोंट गेट इट विथ ए फ्रेंड, और दोनों ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करो. उसके बाद कुछ पहले तो खुद के पॉइंट्स लिख लो, देन यू डिस्कस इट, एंड इफ यू गेट एन एडिशनल पॉइंट लेफ्ट, राइट इट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड मार्जिन दैट इज गिवन इन द शीट इटसेल्फ. ये जो शीट है आपको इसी में स्पेस क्रिएट करके दिया हुआ है. चलो, all right.
Forum is starting a residential program and specifically designed for those students who didn't clear prelims earlier. At that moment, I felt that this program is tailor-made for you because what you described in that email, it felt like somebody was describing me.
नहीं सर, मैंने नहीं बनाया, ये मैं क्रेडिट नहीं लूँगा, आपने बनाया है, मैंने उसको गाइड किया है बस। और हर माता पिता करता है ना, कौन नहीं करता है सर, कौन नहीं चाहता है सर।
Fortunately, sir, I cleared prelims, and then, sir, the same schedule for mains FRC4 started at the same place, and again I made the same promise. चाहे वो AWFG का टेस्ट हो या SFG का हो या करंट अफेयर्स की क्लास हो, I'll do it, सब कुछ करूँगा जैसा जैसा मुझे बताया जा रहा है, and fortunately it worked again. Then I stayed there for interview also, and fortunately I got the rank.
And before coming to FRC, literally there was a lot of broken confidence, and I thought I would never be able to clear pre. This is the biggest hurdle of my life. But then ever since December, things changed, and I just followed the plan to the hilt. Gave every test, even the open test, all the simulators, the CSAT simulators also. It was for the first time that I cleared the prelims, I cleared the mains, and then I cleared the interview and finally got a job under Government of India. I was a part of FRC 1 and FRC 4. So I think FRC played an instrumental role in making me what I am today.
So I was scared, very honestly. I think a lot of my motivation for so many things is just a fear of failure. I'm not sure what a therapist or a psychologist might say about that.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर आकांक्षा सिंह है। मैं गाज़ीपुर ज़िले से रहने वाली हूँ। मैं ऐसे पेशे से डॉक्टर हूँ। मैंने MBBS और मास्टर्स कर रखी है। मैं गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ। ये मेरा सेकंड अटैम्प्ट था जिसमें मेरी 301 रैंक आई है UPSC CSE 2025 में।
So first is a sense of discipline, whether that's SFG or sometimes that I followed in AWFG also for the mains part. A sense of discipline that this is the target for the day. You got to complete your syllabus, immaterial whether you're completing 80%, 70%, 100%, but you have to come up, show up every day and write the test.
Many congratulations to all of you who have cleared the prelims. Let us give them a big hand.
I subscribed to the second level of SFG. I think I told you so. I'd gotten to know about sir from a very close friend, which was honestly like my paradigmatic change, if you will call it, towards prelims preparation came when I heard sir speak on prelims.